another video. They all copy each other. If one starts drinking, then all the others gotta do it. Ooh, he's got a little itch. You wagging your tail. They love to wag their tail. What are you guys doing? Kind of looks a little bit boring, if you ask me. Here goes Coco. What are we talking about? Coco's so nice to me. Hi. What is that? Car alarm? Okay, are we ready for bed? Okay. Come on. Gotta try to get him out of the pool. I'm gonna use their ladder. Come on. Come on, we gotta go. I'm stepping in the mud. Good. You're like little fish. Good job. Okay, yep. Now we're gonna go into our tent. Good. Come on. Stop talking. Just walk. Come on. We're okay. In the tent. Good job. 1, 2, 3, 4. He's always got to wait. The last one in. Grandpa Bubbles. Okay, guys. I love you. Look at all my feathers in here that they've been moving. Got their bucket of water. Okay? When they see flies outside, they try to bite them. Bye-bye. Have fun. You gonna go sleepy night-night? This tent is definitely getting its use. Let's take a little peek. What you guys doing in there? You're like, what are you doing? Are you getting flies? Okay. Love you. Good night.